everyone, and welcome to our product launch event. Today, we are excited to launch our own marketplace ZitMart that we have been working on for months. We are here to celebrate this significant milestone with our team. We wish to grow by publishing more products, widen our audience reach, and conduct more public events in the near future. We believe that this launch will not only benefit our company but also provide value to our customers. It's been designed with their needs in mind, and we can't wait to share it with you. Our team has put in countless hours of hard work and dedication to bring this product to life. We hope that you'll be just as excited as we are about the possibilities this initiative represents. Thank you all for joining us today, and we hope you enjoy the event. Without further ado, I'd like to invite our esteemed founder, Mr. Praveen, to introduce our guest of honor for today's event and say a few words about him.
All. I'm happy to invite you all for the official launch of ZitMart, which is Zitra's marketplace. To launch ZitMart, we have with us Mr. Shrish Dixit from Zoho Creator. He is the head of strategic partnership alliances at Zoho Creator. He has been taking care of this responsibility for 4 years now. During this 4 years, through his effort, we have also benefited as a partner, as a Zoho Creator partner. His responsibilities include partner onboarding, partner supporting in terms of the care that they need, nurturing, support, and education. Training and certification is also part of his responsibility. So it's a wide range of responsibility to support partners, to enable partners to support end users.
So I'm happy to have him here because we first met at Zoholics Bengaluru last year, and it was a nice interaction. And he was actually talking about Zoho Marketplace. He wanted more and more partners to publish applications on Zoho Creator. So we were discussing about this idea, and we actually got started with publishing, identifying certain apps to be released in the Zoho Creator Marketplace. But Zoho Creator Marketplace team was actually revamping their entire mechanism. They were working out the other means in order to enable this for all partners. So we had to put that on hold for some time. After that, what we thought was we had few products that are there in the pipeline. So we thought of having our own mart for our clients and our website visitors, so that we can generate leads on our own. So that was the intention of having such a marketplace in our website. So we were thinking about this for quite some time now, and I'm happy that this finally happened after months of efforts. So to introduce more about Shresh, he completed his BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation in APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University in UP, and he has worked in Amazon in TRMS, Transaction Risk Management System. It's about making Amazon safe and secure for customers to transact online. Apart from that, he has also worked for Ramsey IT Solutions and iYogi. The other thing that I would like to share is he has also volunteered for a not-for-profit organization called as Kartavya, which is actually started by IIT alumni students to serve underprivileged kids in education. So he has headed their finance and also been a teacher training the underprivileged kids. So we are very happy to have him here to launch our ZitMart. Looking forward for this launch event. Thank you, Suresh, for coming here.
Thank you for the very comprehensive introduction, Praveen. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Praveen. It is my pleasure to invite our esteemed director, Mr. Tom, to join us and share more about the vision, mission, and key features of our marketplace, ZitMart.
Thank you, Amala, for the introduction. Good evening, everyone. I'm very happy today to be part of this event to introduce ZitMart, Citra's own marketplace of products that are built by our developer. The wonderful thing about this is each product in this marketplace are being used by our clients to manage their daily business. Some of you might be wondering why and how we came up with this idea of ZitMart. During the past 4 years of our development, we came across situations where we required certain products for our clients, but we couldn't find them in Zoho ecosystem. So we had two options. One option is to find a ready-made solution built in a different technology and integrate it with Zoho product. The other option is to custom build a solution in Zoho itself. So whenever possible, we chose the second option because the guys here are so passionate about the Zoho platform. And also Praveen has been working with Zoho for quite a while, and then he started this company. So we were all, we all had the same view of taking Zoho to more people as much as possible. So we always chose the second option as much as possible. So this became the basis of what we call as ZitMart today. The journey of ZitMart started in 2019 when Zitrar as a company was planning to grow outside Tenkasi. And lucky for me that I joined with Praveen at that time. So we started to, we planned to create a developer base in Nagarkoil. And we had a prospective client at that time who required a product to manage the machines in his industry. We took this opportunity and we planned out our first product called CMMS, this computerized machine management system. The purpose of the system is to help industries to keep track of their machines, vehicles, maintenance, repair, insurance, and the cost involved in all this. We were crazy enough at that time to attempt this product with just 4 members. And all of us were completely new to Zoho platform. That include myself, and we have Jayanti here, who is also part of that attempt at that time. So she was originally from administration background, who turned into a developer during this attempt to create our first product. So we developed the initial version of product in about 2 months' time, but we couldn't proceed further due to certain reasons at that time. But we definitely managed to sell a minimal version of that CMMS to Zoho itself, which was a wonderful thing for us. And during that time, being a startup, we were facing a dilemma of what the future of Citra is going to be. Are we going to become a product development company, or are we going to become a service provider like many others who are out there? For me and Praveen, we wanted Citra to be both. Being a startup, it had its own challenges. So we dropped the product idea for some time, and we focused on our sustenance. We started focusing on developing projects for our client requirements. Sometime in 2021, we were revisiting what we have been doing in Zitrar. So we were able to meet the requirements of our clients. Yes, they were satisfied. And looking back, we realized that we have developed few products which met the standard requirements of certain domains. So we revisited the whole set of apps and projects that we have been doing so far, and we identified the products which were potentially good for launching in the wider market. So we pulled together our team. So we all had a meeting. We were discussing this idea of having a marketplace of our own, having our own array of products. So they were all excited about having this, and so we slowly started working towards it. But in 2022, we were at Solix Bangalore even, and we decided to organize our activities into various departments. So we decided we should have a department for product development. And we asked Nagarajan if he can take ownership of this department. So Nagarajan was very happy to take it up. He took the role very seriously, and everyone in our team, they supported him in every way possible for them. So they all played a key role in bringing us to this place today. So, like Praveen said, this has been a dream for us for quite some time now. Today, we are proud that we can be both product developers as well as service providers at the same time. So I would like to thank Nagarajan for taking this effort, and everyone else in our team who had his back and worked tirelessly to make this happen for us today. We hope to grow this into something much bigger over the period of time now. That is how ZitMart came into existence. So thank you all for being with us today and making this event happen for us. Now I would like to hand over the stage to Amala.
Thank you, Tom. Before we proceed further, let's take a closer look at the product that we are here to talk about. To help us with that, I'd like to invite our manager of all our product, assistant head of ZitMart, Mr. Nagarajan, to come up and share your experience and introduce the product to us.
Yeah, thanks, Amala, for the introduction, and thank you all for joining on this great day with us today. As Tom said earlier, ZitMart is our very own marketplace of applications built on top of Zoho products such as Creator, Books, CRM, and others. So before we look into the products we are launching today with ZitMart, I'll tell you a little about myself. As most of you already know, I started my journey in ZitMart in the mid of 2019, right after finishing my diploma course in a polytechnic college. When I joined, I remember we were a much smaller team than what we are right now. At that time, we were 4 members. While joining, all I thought was to do something big for the company. Nothing less, something big. So I believe I'm doing it right now, and then I will continue to do that. So when I started as a developer in ZitMart, I got the opportunity to work on many different projects, and I learned Zoho Creator, CRM, Books, Inventory, and many other Zoho products while working on those projects. Also, I got to learn about some other things outside of Zoho, like mobile development and web development. Yeah, it was like fun times. And right now, I'm also doing that right now. And being a small team, I got to work closely with clients, and which helped me to grow quickly from being a developer to someone who can understand the business of a client and provide them with a solution they need. Today, with the help of you all, I'm planning to become a manager, and I know it's a long path, but yeah, we'll get there. Thank you for your support and trust in me to lead ZitMart. And I'm very happy to say that I worked as a developer in some of the products that we are launching today. Yeah, and changing from being a developer to someone who can manage a product or the product owner is some big of a journey for me. So my goal is a product manager or a product guy is to make many amazing products or applications for the wide range of domains out there. Yeah, that's a small thing about me. I think we can start with the products that we are going to launch today. Before that, I'll quickly share my screen. Yeah, I've shared my screen now. I hope everyone can see my screen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's start with the products we're gonna launch initially with the ZitMart. Before that, here are the products that we're gonna launch with the ZitMart. Totally 4 products, 4 applications, let's say. One is service, and another one is publish file, then check-in, then Zoho. Let's start with Zoho Creator app service. Service is an app that we built on top of Zoho Creator to manage service bookings effectively for businesses such as event management companies and cleaning service providers and who are giving service to customers basically. So this application basically has everything from service booking to invoice to commissions, calculation for technicians or the people working on those companies, for commission calculations for contractors and outsourcing to other vendors. Like so many features are packed with this app. And the next app we have is Publish Pal. So Publish Pal is also an app built on top of Zoho Creator. It is built to manage received content, basically like document management kind of application. This app is built to manage received content for middlemen in the entertainment industry. Content could be comics, documents, documentaries, books, etc. And it allows them to keep track of those writers, artists, companies, and their submissions. Basically keep track of all those things. And then having this data at their fingertip helps them to confidently pitch in the content to various business and studios. And then we have a check-in app. So check-in app is also an app built on top of Zoho Creator, which is a hotel management app. It can be used as a front desk app and then hotel administrative application. So this app has like full kind of packed with full functionalities like managing their day-to-day operations and managing their pre-bookings, check-ins, check-out invoicings, and food services and many other things. As I mentioned earlier, this app has like different views for front desk to manage their check-in, check-out invoices and all, and then an admin view to manage overall data traffic, say. And then lastly, we have the Zoho Rex. Yeah, this is an interesting one among the other 3. So this one is not a creator app. It is like a plugin to integrate Zoho and Zero application. So this is basically like Zero is a cloud-based accounting software similar to what we have in Zoho as Zoho Books. So currently we are providing integration services for Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, Zoho Inventory to Zero to manage their financial data, let's say like invoices, items, and all those things. And we are also working on this enabling this functionality for Zoho Creator applications, like custom Zoho Creator applications integrated with Zero. That's all the products that we want to launch in the first place. We have currently 3 clients using the shown products. Tapas Media is a webcomic company, which is a South Korean based popular comic company. They're managing, as mentioned earlier, like webtoons and comics, and they are currently using a Publish Pal application to manage their internal submissions and all those things. And they are using it for nearly 1 year now. As Tom's mentioned earlier, Group Imperial is a service-based company based on Australia and Canada, and they're using our service application for almost 3 to 3.5 years right now, as of now. And then Pearl Beach is a resort and nearby our location, and they are using our check-in app for 3 years now. And we have some other products in the pipeline as well for this year. 2 categories here. One is education and manufacturing. Under education, we have student information system for school management basically, and then a library management application. And then the manufacturing side, we have CMMS. So this one is Tom's mentioned earlier. Currently, we are working with some more advanced functionalities in this app. And then inventory. So in inventory, we have like 3 types of inventories. One is production inventory, which is ERP, and then operations and rental inventory. And this application will be released in upcoming months in this year. And yeah, that's all pretty much products. And thanks for your time. And I'm returning the session to the host again. And thank you.
Thank you, Nagarajan, for
Yeah.
sharing your experience and on product. Friends, are you ready to witness the next big step in the growth of Zeta Technologies? I hope you are all as excited as I am. So let's move on to our product launch. Without further ado, I'd like to invite Mr. Shirish Dixit to come up and do the honors of launching ZitMart.
Thank you, Amala. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Praveen, for thanking me as someone who can do this. Thank you so much. And just to give a brief about how I started interacting with Praveen. So we were just working on and off, not on regular basis. But once I had a request for a US customer, and I reached out that Praveen, this is something that we need to do because customer wants support. And Praveen, without missing a beat, said we can do that. And thank you to Praveen and the ZitMart team that it was a US customer, so you needed to work in the night. And after that, we started working pretty closely. And Praveen has always come through whenever I have spoken to him. And in Zoholic, thank you for listening to my advice. And you made this limitation into an opportunity where we are not accepting applications on Zoho Marketplace. So you launched ZioMart in ZitMart in some time where you can market it properly. And we can also look at opportunities where we can market it together. I would also recommend that if you are on our Zoho Connect, you can mention that so that it is visible to other partners who might reach out for opportunities. So that can be something that we can discuss. And thank you so much for inviting me here. So how do we go about launching? Can you send me the link?
Yeah, give me a second. I'll share the link to you.
Can you see my screen now, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So congratulations. This really looks good. And all the products that you have mentioned are something that will be of use in the market. So thank you so much. And kudos to Nagarajan for doing this and the whole Zita team. So can we have a countdown just to publish this page?
I'm not able to see the screen. Is the screen visible for all? I'm just able to see the white screen.
Yeah, it's plain white one. It's plain.
Yes.
Is it still white?
Yes.
Oh, let me stop and reshare. Sorry for this.
Let's do the countdown ourselves.
Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Visible now.
Perfect then. Yes.
Okay. Let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3,
4,
2,
3,
1,
2,
and
1.
Let's
Go.
go.
Good things take time.
Yeah, I should talk to the rights team.
Yeah.
We have,
Oh,
yes.
awesome. Yeah, published.
Live now.
Congratulations, team.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So it is live here. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Shirish.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Congratulations.
Before we conclude this event, I'd like to take a moment to express our gratitude to everyone who has made this launch possible. Praveen, Thompson, Nagarajan have been a driving force behind this launch, and it has been an incredible journey. And we could not have done it without the support of our team. Thank you all. Finally, I'd like to invite our founder, Mr. Praveen, to come up and give a vote of thanks.
Yeah, thank you for this event. It was wonderful preparing for this event. We wanted to just not publish it on the web. We wanted to organize this as an event and take a moment to think about our journey and inspire our team to create more such products. And so this was an event that we had planned for almost a week. So I'm happy that it went smoothly without any troubles. The network held together, and Zoho meeting also has wonderful features now that we are able to do this online. I'm thankful for that, and thankful for Shirish for making time, because I pinged him this morning. He was actually in an event right now. He was in an event, so I thought would he be able to attend this, but still he had managed to come here and launch this successfully. So I thank Nagarajan for compiling all the content related to this event. He has made a lot of effort to compile all the content. Uh, it is it has come out really well. I'm happy. I'm really happy that he has pulled it off. Thanks to Toms for mentoring, for guiding Nagarajan, assisting Nagarajan to get through this, and it has been our long cherished idea which has come true today. So everything, actually, if you look at life in general, the small steps, the first step that we take is very important. So maybe when we go to a school, your teacher helps you write A. That's actually the beginning point. You are just writing letter A, but it is the basis of of doing many things, learning the language, doing many things using the language, talking the language, writing the language, essays, poetry. So whatever you do, that's the first point. So the first starting point is very important, and happy that this is the first point for us in taking the next step towards growing as a Zoho partner. It is not that we just want to, we are working with customers, we are meeting their requirements. We want to be more than that as well. So this is a clear step, first step that we are taking in that direction. And the signs are very good, positive. I am seeing this as a very positive sign. The team spirit is good. So I think we would definitely pull off something special here at Zitra. So thank you all for joining this meeting, and thank you, Shirish, once again for joining us. Looking forward towards your support. You have supported us at ZitAcad, providing certification support and training support for the trainees that we train, rural trainees that we train. So we wish your support for ZitMart as well. So that we scale more heights. Thank you.
We'll work together for sure. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Praveen. I want to express my sincere appreciation to everyone who had played a part in making this event a success. We could not have done it without you, and we hope to see you again in our future event. We'll be sharing this moment on social media, and kindly have a look at it. Thank you all.